Hello, good morning. My name is Luis. I collaborate with Apota Home, and now I show you this apartment. This apartment is localized in Burjasot, close to the Valencia city center. And now I show you the first room. The first room has a single bed, one desk, and the closet. Now I show you the second room. The second room has a single bed, one desk, and the closet. In this part we have a living room, have a big sofa, and the TV, and one table for it. Now I show you the balcony. And you can see the street. Close to the apartment have a supermarket, shops, how will connect with the bus and the subway to the Valencia city center, and have very close to the universities. This is the Burjasot town. And now I show you the bathroom. The bathroom has a toilet and the shower and the sink. This is the kitchen. The kitchen has all necessary, have a oven, dishwasher, microwave, fridge, to do toasters, and the washing machine is in the gallery. And now I show you the last room, number 3. Has a double bed. And the closet. And the big closet. This is all the apartment. I hope when you come to Burjasot, have a nice day, enjoy. Bye.